Today, we're heading to Michael's Craft Stores to check out their new Spring and Easter dollhouse miniatures. Also, if you're new here, my name's Marie and welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts. First of all, before we even get into miniature cuteness overload, everything is 40% off, so take 40% off the marked prices on each item. Okay, let's talk the spring collection because wow, they have so many new items this year and it looks like the theme is whimsical woodland fantasy. Let's start with the miniature animals because obviously priorities. They have so many cute little critters, it's basically a tiny forest council meeting. And who do we have here? This looks like this is Mama Goose with a baby chick on her back. She looks like she is straight out of a storybook. There are so many colorful mushrooms, you can create a tiny enchanted mushroom forest. Moving on, we've got some miniature garden tools because even tiny people have chores too. They have fence sets in different colors in white and green. There's rows of flowers and some colorful jars. I believe these are supposed to be seed jars. There's also some sparkly Easter eggs and lots of potted flowers. Moving on to the lower shelf, there's this wooden dollhouse. It would be really nice to place some of those potted flowers into the nooks of this dollhouse. And there are these mushroom houses that are so adorable. They really went all out in this woodland theme. There's also a yellow food stand with miniature desserts, tiny desserts. I don't need them, but I also don't not need them. I'm going to place links to Michael's miniature shop below in the description, as well as some of the cute items that I find. And then because Michael said, why not a bunny holding strawberries, they really went all out in whimsy this year. Oh, and this is actually super useful. They have these trays that you can use to set up your miniature scenes. So if you don't have a full dollhouse, you can still create a whole little miniature world in one contained space. But wait, there's more. No, seriously, there's more. Just when you think that's all, you turn the corner and bam, even more spring miniatures. We've got some fake pine trees so you can build an entire miniature forest with them. And some more colorful mushrooms. These would look so cute paired with the mushrooms that we saw on the other side of the aisle. And this looks like a walking path that you can place in the middle of your fairy forest. And then this caught me off guard, a chia fairy garden kit. Yes, chia. Chia. It comes with a planter so you can create a living, breathing miniature garden scene, which means your tiny forest will actually grow. And at the top, they have this whole display showing what you can create with all of these miniatures. And honestly, I love that Michael's does this because sometimes you're like, I love all of this, but what am I supposed to do with it? And Michael's is like, don't worry, we've already enabled you. Okay, let's move on to the other side of the aisle. And surprise, more miniatures. And over here, we've got Mother Goose making another reappearance. She's booked and busy today. There's a fruit basket. I'm actually surprised at the details of this. It's an actual wicker basket with a real piece of cloth and some fruit in it. Oh, what happened here? Macaroon Tower is down. All right, here's one right behind it. You can see this is what it's supposed to look like. Each tier has miniature desserts on it. Super cute, loving all the pastel colors. And a floral tea set. This would go really great with that macaroon tower. And a pizza with some fruity drinks because, you know, balance. There's a bookshelf with lots of plants, some more jars with plant seeds, and lots more potted flowers. You can build an entire miniature garden with all of these tiny flowers that they have. Then we have a whole collection of white garden accessories, a swinging bench, a garden arch, a table and chair set, even a little bike. And it has a checkered basket at the front with some flowers. I love details like this. Whoever's designing miniatures for Michael's, you are doing such a great job. Keep going. We are loving it. All right, let's see what else we have. There are some of these shopping bags. This looks like a blue dish set, a coffee and book set. And then down here, there are these tiny buildings. They're miniature shops, so you can build an entire shopping street. There's a cafe, a bookstore, a flower shop. So basically, you can create kind of a charming downtown that only exists in movies and now in your own miniature scene. Oh, and the bottom shelf. Absolute chaos, but in the best way. These baskets are filled with pots of flowers, a rocking chair, a bird bath, some moss patches. And behind here, I see some lemon trees in the back. And, ooh, an empty package. Oh no, fairy with deer. I guess the fairy flew off with the deer. And at the very bottom, there are some of these wooden cabinets. These would look very cute if you place those miniature potted flowers in them to have a whole flower display case. And finally, the fourth side of this display aisle, at the bottom, there's some more of these really cute wooden display cases. But at the top, plot twist, Western and cowboy miniatures. That's right, we're going to the desert. I have never seen these kind of miniatures at Michael's before. We're talking mini barrels, a gate entrance, a water pump, very necessary for your tiny desert survival. There's even a miniature horse, or as they call it, a stallion. There are some Western books, bales of hay, and cacti. I really was not expecting these items in their spring collection. This was quite a surprise. Now, let me know down below in the comments if this Western and cowboy themed miniatures are something you guys would be interested in. Honestly, Michaels really outdid themselves this year. The variety, incredible. The themes, everywhere. We've got Easter, spring, garden, and fairy woodland. And now, Western cowboy chic. You can use these for dollhouses, dioramas, or just creating your own tiny universe where everything is cute and perfectly curated. Meanwhile, in real life, I still haven't organized my closet yet. I have to do some spring cleaning. Now, between the variety, the creativity, and that 40% off deal, this is your sign. Go, run, do not walk. And maybe grab an extra basket because self-control is not part of this shopping experience. Let me know in the comments, what would you create with these miniatures? A fairy garden, a spring porch, a woodland scene, or a cowboy western desert scene? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tiny adventure. And remember, it's a miniature world after all.